next note, ganun. Ako na.
Kailangan ko ba talaga i-promise to kay Iko that I will love him? Pero naiyak nga ako nung nagsabi si Iko, hindi niya ako maging girlfriend.
And the breeze and everything that I want.
Ng mga kapatid.
Cause it's make believe, daydreaming of you. Daydreaming of you. Daydreaming of you.
Mahala na mamaya.
Daydreaming of you.
Maria Christine, do you take Jericho here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do. Para ko
Do you
nananaginip
give
ako.
yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, Father, I do.
I will always be daydreaming of you. Daydreaming of you. Daydreaming of you. Daydreaming of you.
Ten. Kristen, honey, ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay natin. Madrid ka na rin.
Daydreaming of you. Daydreaming of
Hi, honey. Congratulations for finally finding the one who will love you the way and the extent God wants you to experience in this lifetime.
I remember one of our conversations when we both said we were tired and had already given up on love. But God is so good. Hindi niya tayo pinabayaan. Binigyan niya tayo ng pagkakataon para magmahal at mahalin muli.
You set a fire in my bones and awaken my senses.
Hindi ka na mag-iisa pang muli sa bawat laban at sakripisyo. Palagi na akong nandito sa tabi mo. Mamahalin kita, pati na rin ang mga minamahal mo.
Babes, maganda. Thank you for loving us.
Of course. Of course.
Thank you for
Always.
love you.
Love you, Mother.
Ma, Pa, maraming salamat sa lahat ng pag-aaruga sa amin ni ate. Hindi ako makakarating dito kung hindi dahil sa iyo. May pagkukulang man ako noon. Sana mapatawad niyo ako. Ngayon siguraduhin ko na gagawa ako ng maayos na pamilya kay Ten at mamahalin ko siya na katulad ng pagmamahal niya sa akin. Mahal ko, sikapin natin na pagtibayin ang relasyon natin na ang Panginoon ang tanging sentro. Huwag nating sayangin ang pagkakataong magkasama tayo. Dahil simula ngayong araw na to, wala nang ikaw at ako. Dahil palagi na tayo.
magsama kayo ng masaya at magparami kayo, ha?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alive to this moment, our wildest dreams collide. Time is now frozen as we light up the sky.
Kahit anong mangyari, I will forever be your best friend, Coconut, Draco Donato, with a cutie little Toby. You saw our hearts before we did, the healing we needed, and the love we were ready to give. I can't wait to begin a new life with you, my love. I love you so much. Maria Cristin Rogelio Madrid. I love you.